Hello YouTube family, this is Angela coming to you with another video, and today we'll be eating a homemade sub sandwich. Let us say our prayer first. Amen. So y'all, today we made homemade subs in this big old bread. And I have some spicy hot Doritos and a peach belly sparkling water. Y'all know peach my favorite one. But I hope that tastes okay. You say peach melly, and I don't know what peach melly means, but I will try it. I got 2 pickles on the side. I thought to get flaming hot with these, but with my sandwich, but I just got those Doritos. So y'all, this how big it is. We made this at home. The meat I picked was salami, bologna. I have lettuce, tomatoes on here, Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, pink pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, jalapeno peppers. Oh, and I'm Italian dressing. I got my meat on now. I'm cooking some rice, cornbread, and some I had some more neck bones in the freezer. So I'm cooking it right now for dinner. Y'all, I'm full just off this one sandwich. I'm still eating it. And it's cut into 4 parts. So happy Wednesday. It is about 11 o'clock here where I'm at. Wednesday. Messy. Whew. Oh. These kind of breads, I like to buy single. So you could always make yourself a sandwich with these kind of. They're like this bread was $1. So you can always get these breads at your at Walmart or at your store, grocery store. And I bought some more bread. It was $2, but they come single by themselves. In a nice little cute little bag by itself. I'm gonna give my son the other half of this sandwich if he eat it. Y'all, we locked the key in the closet at work last night, so I had to work early. Should be able to get in the closet. So that's why I'm cooking now. Well, I always cook early anyway before I leave. I'm cooking and trying to make my cornbread and stuff. And get everything together around here. Yeah. So yeah, we locked the key in the closet last night. Cause once you lock that door, you can't get back in. So I gotta go up here early, see if they let me back in and get my key. So I can start work. Whew. I'm using more paper towels than I usually use. But these bounties, so bounty always help me out. Always help me out around the house too. This bread's so soft. I need my onions and tomatoes. I love my onions and tomatoes. Yeah, I still hope Saturday I'll be able to do some crawfish because I'm going to Walmart. So I hope they got some. That's the only place I can find them out here. Sometimes you go in there, they have a bag. Sometimes they don't. So hopefully I can get me some crawfish when I go grocery shopping. So I could do a video. My video of the day. Yeah, I'm full. This sounds big. Yep, so sometimes you don't want to go to Subway or something like that. You can always go get your own stuff and make your own. Just cut them onions up, cut them tomatoes up. And get the meat of your choice that you want. mayonnaise, Miracle Whip, whatever you like. Like I said, these big old breads always come in, see? It's almost bigger than my hand. But these big old breads come in their own little bag. One a piece. They like $2. I seen one for $6 too. You can get it for $6. Okay, y'all, I'm full. I'm gonna get off here. That was good. Whew. Y'all know how I do. I'm getting ready to go in here and do what I need to do. Like I say y'all all the time, but that's what I do. I'll see y'all in the next video. I hope to do a video tomorrow. I'm just still trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat though. So I don't know yet. Y'all take care. Have a happy Wednesday. And like I said, if you don't want to go to Subway or something like that, go make your own sandwich. So it don't cost that much. I think under $5. So especially if you have some of the ingredients in your refrigerator already, under $5 sandwich. Okay? See y'all in the next video. Everybody take care. I'm trying to let this go a few more minutes. Ooh, a few more minutes, y'all. I'm gonna shut it off. Okay, y'all take care. See y'all later.